We're going to install the agent in the client side. Type amreading.com in your browser, support, download, run the installer, and allow Windows to open the file and install anyway. Okay. Enter your license and the client code you like, and your browser will pop up automatically, and a network scanner will run automatically. Okay. If you want to add a printer manually, just enter the IP and hit test and create. Correct. If you hit info install, you can add a location to the installation. Done. That's it. If you want to access the setup again, you just double click the AMR icon and your browser will pop up. Thanks for watching.